Hi guys and welcome to Simply Hike. Today I'm going to go through the key features of the Meindl Air Revolution boot. Let's take a look, shall we? So as you can see, the boot itself is made out of a suede material. It's Gore-Tex, which means it's waterproof and it's breathable. The first feature I'd like to talk about is obviously the toe box. Yet again, that's a nice and solid toe box, going to be offering you a lot of support, especially if you're going to be scrambling. And that also works really well with the heel box as well, that's on the back there, giving you all the protection that you need. Now you see this design on the actual side paneling here. Basically what that means is over time, once you break the boot in, basically it's going to stretch and mould to you, giving you a much comfortable fit and a better fitting boot. That's pretty much the top part of the boot. So let's take a look at the entry system and why this is actually called the Air Revolution. So if I undo that, as you can see, it's a nice wide ankle support. Now, this system here, the sponge here, pretty much with the holes, I don't know if you can get zoomed in. Basically, that is the Air Revolution. So basically, if you're doing quite a lot of walking, this basically increases the actual circulation of the air within your foot. So you're again, especially if you're going to be walking in hot climates and stuff like that, the Air Revolution is actually going to keep your foot cooler, which is obviously going to reduce the fact that of swelling as well as blistering. Basically, it's going to tick all the boxes that you need. Now, the greatest thing about this is it actually comes out. So as you see here, bit of Velcro there, and at the bottom there, there's a bit of Velcro. Pull that out, and if I just pop that to the side, we can carry on with the video. So you can take that out there, so you don't necessarily need to actually have the air system inside there, so you can actually just have it as a normal walking boot. And just as a normal walking boot, it's got a nice wide entry point. So yet again, the greatest thing about Meindl is they really do consider wider footing, and yet again for winter walking as well with thicker socks. So no matter what what you're walking, or putting your foot in the boot straight away, or actually getting it off at the end of the trek, it's going to be nice and easy for you. You've got really nice secure eyelet system as well. Yet again, giving you all the freedom as well. So you can loosen up the boot as well, and you can also tighten the boot up with ease at the beginning, at the end, as well as during your trek as well. And you've got some really nice features with the Meindl boot. Right, let's take a look at the sole now. Now the sole itself is actually a really nice sole. You've got real great depth in there. You've got real great variety of tread. I mean, this core system here, if I just show you, obviously everyone walks differently. Obviously there is a natural way of walking. There's going to be pressure points in certain areas, and those pressure points are going to be different for everybody. So if I just show you the flexibility of the boot side to side, now basically what that means is the boot itself is going to find the way that you naturally walk, and it's going to work with it as well. Basically meaning that you're walking and you're hiking, especially if you're going to be doing a long distance, it's going to be really comfortable for you, which is a nice little tread. Yet again, it's got really nice depth as well. So pretty much no matter what sort of terrain that you're going to be walking in, you're pretty much covered. If I just move it to the side as well, you've got nice tread along the side there. So if you are scrambling, you want to dig your heel part of the boot in, or the side boot of the boot in, it's going to give you all the grip that you need. And that's why this boot is such a great walker boot. As I say, especially with the air system, if you're going to be in hot climates, this is definitely one to look out for. Anyway, for any more information, please visit us at simplyhike.co.uk.